Welcome to our channel. I'm Sylvia.
I'm Werner.
And this is Ozzy, our four-legged travel companion. We are traveling and exploring Australia whenever we can. Our aim is to capture the beauty of Australia and bringing it into your living room. Please come with us and enjoy our adventure. So today we're getting a toolbox on the Caravan installed, so we're pretty excited about that. It's a custom-made toolbox to fit in the front of the Caravan. I turn around and show you. There it is. This side is where the generator will live. Lockable doors. There is a door up there for the gas bottles, and on the other side there is a door with a slide out for the Weber grill, and it's all powder coated black. That's all good, looks good, so far so good. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this episode. We really appreciate your support. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below. See you later.
Alligator.